Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cheats in Dota 2. To enable cheats in Dota 2, you need to create a lobby game and enable cheats when setting up the lobby. Here's how. First, click on the Play Dota button, and then under Custom Lobbies, click on Create. Once you're in, search for the Edit button, which is over here, and check the box next to enable cheats, and then press OK and start game.
Dave Johnson here. Welcome to Dota.
Once the game starts, you can activate cheats by pressing enter and then typing dash and then the cheat code itself. For this example, I'm going to add 2000 gold by pressing enter first and then dash gold 2000 and then enter again. Now you can see that 2000 gold has been added. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!